Good day, sir. My name is Mubarak Adigun. I'm a master student of information technology. Today, I will be presenting my research on a personalized agent based chatbot for nutritional coaching. Thank you. I'll start with the abstract. This paper proposes a new way for us to provide personalized nutrition coaching using chatbots. The system, uses wearable technologies like smartwatches, smart appliances, and other devices to track and provide advice to the users on what kind of diets they should maintain and different nutritions. The paper also revises existing research work and other reports that have been done by other people on chatbots, food tracking, and also for the report that we make on dietary recommendations. In this paper, it also entails the design, testing, and users' feedbacks from this proposed system. Introduction. AI chatbots are imagined to offer personalized guidance and support to the users to enable healthy living and healthy habits. As we know, this chat can provide tailored diet recommendations, help people to track their food intakes, and motivate them towards healthy habits. By considering their allergies, the goal they hope to achieve, the user's preference, this chart can suggest suitable diets that helps them achieve their goal. Integration with wearables like our smartwatches also allows us to improve the accuracy of the recommendations. These chatbots often leverage natural language processing, image recognition, machine learning in some cases to offer user-friendly experience to the wearer. Privacy, user engagement, data accuracy, and cultural inclusivity are also key to the success of this. And it is with very care that we make sure that these things are being accounted for. Now, summary of the literature that we reviewed. The first literature that is being reviewed is a literature that's titled "A Personalized Agent-Based Chatbot for Nutritional Coaching." And when we look at this report, this report proposed using chatbots with pervasive technologies to give users a personalized diet advice, track their food intake, and encourage healthy habits. The report highlights the link between nutrition and health concerns like genetics and people having chronic diseases. It emphasizes the need for ongoing support in nutrition and coaching systems and using technologies for personalized recommendations based off what is being intake. The report also explores challenges in chatbots, food tracking. It discusses using multi-agent systems for conversation design and machine learning for decision making. So the multi-agent systems are doing the conversational design, whilst machine learning is helping to make decisions based on all of the data being collected. It also highlights the limitations to early food trackers and the importance of analyzing eating habits and calorie intakes. Furthermore, this report explores recommendations techniques like collaborative filtering and emphasizes personalized based on user preference and context. So that is, it's not trying to create something that is generic. It wants it to be personalized. It also maintains that while achieving all of this, we must be following privacy regulations as per the GDPR compliance. The report also offers a wide ranging review of the challenges and opportunities that are available in personalized chatbots for nutrition coaching. It further highlights the potentials of technology to promote healthy living and healthy lifestyle. The second report we would be reviewing today is called the Foodie Foodasin, a conversational agent for smart kitchen. The report explores the rise of conversational interface, especially using natural language processing in smart kitchens and replacing traditional interface, which is typically using humans. The paper introduces Foodie, a system built with IBM Watson to help different families reduce food wastage and improve their eating habits. Foodie personalized recipe recommends based on allergies, dietary goals, and budgets, which is equally important. And this is one of the things they did differently from the first report. They included budgets because they understand the importance of people's finances to what they eat. Uh, the authors detailed Foodie's design, focusing on its conversational interface, recipe recommendation, which considers people's diets, and the importance of seamlessness in the interactions, which is provide good user experience. The report explored challenges faced in building these advanced systems, including the need for features like conditional jumps and entity negation to enhance user experience. The research provides insight into developing conversational agents for smart kitchens, the challenges involved, and the potential for integration with other smart home devices. The third report that is being reviewed is called Erebot, a persuasive chatbot framework for personalized physical exercise support. Now, this report explores the difficulty of building chatbot for healthcare, focusing on human-machine interaction, user experience, and the quality of this experience also. Personalization, making sure that the chatbot is personalized to the user or give a personalized service to the user. The author discuss the potential of chatbots to deliver health information, personalized advice, and improve adherence to health programs. Social interactions between chatbot and real-time healthcare supervision and users' privacy are identified as ongoing challenge in chatbot environments, and that's where chatbot are still lacking. People can still tell that this is their being responded to by chatbots, so you can still see there's a bit of gap between humans handling these conversations and machines handling these conversations. Now, the research proposes Airbot, a framework to create personalized chatbots for healthcare. Airbot allows for user-specific guidance, data privacy, and testing different chatbot campaigns. The report details the design principles behind Airbot and its mobile interface, which is called the AMA app, drawing an insight from existing chatbot functionalities and its challenges. Now, for reflection based off all of these reports that has been reviewed, we can tell that building on the current advancements in personalized agent-based chatbots for nutritional coaching, there's an opportunity to further enhance the system by helping to build systems that integrate multiple disciplines and functionalities, combining data, real-time data analytics to predictive modeling, and integration with other systems that provide highly customized and proactive support for users. So what we are looking at is beyond telling users what they've done. We want to be able to advise them and give proactive advice that could help guide them on what they could further do. First and foremost, advanced predictive analytics. The chatbot leverage predictive analytics on user data to anticipate health issues and recommend proactive interventions like dietary adjustments to prevent deficiencies or energy boosting food. Integration with healthcare ecosystems. Integration with healthcare ecosystems. By integrating these healthcare providers, their electronic health records or their electronic medical records with these chatbots, it can offer precise recommendation that's taking account into the user's medical history, because when integrated with these HRS systems, the bots has an understanding of the user's medical history. So it's not just judging by the information provided by the user, but also by using a comparison between the information provided by the user and their health history to provide the best advice that these users can get. Enhanced personalization. As I mentioned earlier, one of the key things to improving chatbots is bridging that gap where people that uses this chatbot still know that they are chatting with a bot rather than a human being, and that has to do with the quality of language that we use, using understanding people's preference and being able to adapt to lifestyle changes. So those are some of the things that really has to be improved. Also, with this, we are going to be discussing about the multi-channel engagements. The system must be able to engage with users across multiple channels. So we want to be in a position where these chatbots are able to function on chat applications, smart kitchen appliances, wearable devices, amongst others. And a good example that we've seen is, for example, Siri, which uh, Apple is now trying to integrate into all of their systems, their smartwatch, their iPhone, their uh, MacBook, and whatnot. So that's one of the ways to go, just in case you're left with one of those devices and not the your mobile phone, for example. Lastly, we are considering ethical and privacy conscious design. Now, we cannot overemphasize the importance of data privacy, especially when it comes to health and when it comes to diet and consumption. So it is very important that whatever systems we are building, we are careful to understand data privacy laws, data governance laws, and GDPR, so that we apply that in the way we collect this data, the way we manipulate and utilize this data, and the way we provide information for the users. Thank you very much. That brings us to the end of my presentation. On this page, you can find the references. Thank you, sir.